Tepelok video ko bamata pengini page ya record balabat dau Lionel Messi haka FIFA World Cup history. Kidon ado kasan teli ki record balu yobat padon ru na pedeng kita kasan teli ki ba amla asyuk ban pra da ki wepat ki player. Tementang ini pule ya kini ki record balabat dau Messi. Kawan kong the most FIFA World Cup appearances 30 and 31 match. Ilek kai bontam haka World Cup ado live heu ni live version. Kabar most FIFA World Cup goal 21 goal. Thap goal buntam hak history jang World Cup hado arwe goal. Kebalai most World Cup win Arfeusen. Job buntam hak jingle kai World Cup hado Arfeusen. Most World Cup match as a captain. Captain ubayalam buntam hak FIFA World Cup. Kebasan most minute play in FIFA World Cup history. Elekai buntam ki minute World Cup history. Benriu most player of the match award. Ya buntam ka player of the match award. Bahanyo only player to win 2 FIFA World Cup golden ball. Player ubana kong bala job hadu atsen ki FIFA World Cup golden ball tade ka ar jar khatsau bar ar jar ar. Only player with assist in 6 different World Cup tade ka pra tama uba ai assist 100 league World Cup. Only player to score in his teens 20s and 30s but mentah do life arts nemro ulat hem tama uba tap goal hakireta ke repair jong ka jingim tade ke bakhandai ke bajpeu only player to score in every knockout round of one World Cup. Tap goal ha round of 16 quarter final semi final but final hakaju ka World Cup. Bakhatway most goal contributes goal plus assist in World Cup history. Bakat ar most penalty taken in FIFA World Cup history. Sim penalty buntam hak FIFA World Cup history. Bakat lai most penalty miss in FIFA World Cup history. Miss penalty buntam hak FIFA World Cup history. Khatsa first player to miss 2 penalty in one World Cup. Player bana kong ban miss hado artali ki penalty hak away ka World Cup. Bakatsan most World Cup play 6 tournament. Tekini kita record bala yabat da Lionel Messi temundur himapi kino kita record kiba amla asyuk ban pempra da ke wepat ki player sa komen box.